Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a customer job. Let's see what we have here. I will open the package on stream. Maybe it's a a monster inside. Who knows? So let's try and help this customer before seeing the job. What do you think? So that's the goal. We have to fix it. Let me be sure there's no paper inside. Okay, it is a paper. 1 second. It is there. A return address. I'm not sure what is this. 1 second. I don't even know what job it is. I suppose it's a phone because it's a small box. I suppose it's a phone. But this looks like a genuine replacement battery service pack. Oh lol, this is a brand new battery? Okay, that's interesting. Here we have... Okay, yes, I know. The customer sent a phone for the connector replacement. Yeah, I remember. And we have a nice phone. This is a nice phone. Samsung Note20 Ultra 5G. I think it's open, right? Yeah, it is. It is open. Looks like a nice Samsung phone. So we have to replace the battery because that's what the customer sent. Yeah, it's a brand new genuine battery. Check here. Good. And we have to replace a connector, which is this one. We have the screws, we have the connector here. Yeah, good. So here are no screws. I'm just curious, where is the connector? Let's open the phone and try to figure out what is wrong here. Oh, this is open. Oh. And here is the connector. Yeah, looks like. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's the screen connector. Let's check under the microscope. Yeah, indeed, you can see the screen connector is damaged. So we have to replace this connector, and I don't think it's that hard because it's on the side of the board. Yeah, but clearly we have to take the board out in order to replace that connector. So we took the board out. You know what? I will place the board on a heatsink because the heat, is the enemy actually. So we need to use the heat. I mean, the things can go wrong if you use too much heat. Now, have in mind those connectors start getting melted around 240 degrees. So the plan is removing the connector with max temperature, 480 degrees, yeah? And we are using max temperature because we don't want to heat up the board, yeah? Max temperature, we are melting the connector, but we are taking the connector out quickly. Then we prime the tracks, yeah? With some low melting solder, not that low. I mean, I have like 180 degrees one, which is fine. And after that, we are soldering the connector with the heat from the front. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's use some Kapton tape to isolate the other connectors. Perfect. So we remove the connector. Flux, and let's wick the solder out. Have in mind, using low melting solder, the lower the temperature, the highest probability for the solder to get cracked, or it's not durable. So low melting is fine, but not that low. Okay, looks perfect. Looks perfect. Now let's heat up the board and solder the connector. Okay, so the connector is bonding with the board. I believe it's solder. So what do you think? Even if it's not soldered like a particular pin, we can do it. We can do it after. But for me, it looks perfect. Now let's wait to cool down, clean, and check the pins, yeah, and test. This one is moving, you can see it, so this one is not soldered. Those one are not soldered. This one no. And this one is not soldered. So we have this one We have this one from here. We have this one. Yeah, we do have a bunch of which they are not soldered. But the other pins from this side are fine. I mean, from here are okay. Only these ones from here, and this will be difficult to solder. Let's heat up the board again. Let's pay attention on those pins. Yeah, the connector is moving. Let's bring it back. And I believe we are fine. I believe we are okay. You're gonna check the pins again. Good. Yeah, so every pin is soldered on place. So the second time was better compared with the first time. Now let's clean it quickly and let's test it. Probably young people are more, they have more dexterity than me. So it's more easy for them. But how is it looking for you? Looks like new or not? Let's put the board back. And that's the old battery. The new one. Yeah, it has the sticky tape there. Fantastic. And has a foil on it. Okay, that's great. So that's the new battery. Let's take the foil out. Perfect. All back in place. Plug in the charger. Charging fine. And we do have picture, so the screen is working perfect. Now let me put a back cover. We have to clean the frame first. Now let's be sure the camera are cleaned. Perfect. And now all what is left, the back cover. Charging perfect, working perfect. Now, it was a hard job. You need some dexterity. That's all about this kind of jobs, dexterity. On a scale from 1 to 10, I will say the 10 being the hardest and the 1 being the easiest job. I will say this will be like a 7, okay? Like a 7, maybe a little bit 8, yeah? You've seen the video edited, but actually hitting the board with, I was like 220, and no, I start with 240, then I go low to 220 to hit up the board without the Kapton tape. That will took quite a while, to hit up the board, to bring the board to the melting solder temperature, which is around 190 degrees. Okay, so we'll stop now. I'm happy I helped the customer. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. Bye.